Whoops, no.
50%.
That's not what I wanted you to do, but fine.
50%. Zero.
Oh, you have to land.
Whoa!
50%. Gear up. 50%. Time remaining 3
Time to
minutes.
get you one.
I went up
G
Jay.
limit
I went
disengaged.
to Jay's New Year's Christmas Eve.
G limit disengaged. 50%.
I plan to do whatever you want to
50%.
do.
Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah. The one in real life does the exact same thing.
50%.
Now, which one is this?
F-22.
Freewing
Time
70
remaining
mil.
2 minutes.
If you're thinking about getting one, this would be the one to get.
Is that an 80 millimeter?
G limit disengaged. 0. 25%. 50%.
Weather is crappy for second.
Expired. Land immediately. Land immediately. 0.
Johnny, we don't get planes.
Gear up.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
G limit disengaged.
This one also runs on 6S.
What's that?
Okay.
What's that battery run?
Around about 150 bucks. For the smart packs, you can order the cheap ones for maybe like 60 bucks or so.
No, I ain't cranking my neck.
Yep. Yeah, he's got the 90s, right? The Freewing S16.
What the hell is with that wind?
I don't know, but
Oh yeah. Yeah, they move.
50%.
Ground speed. This one I got 102 on.
G limit disengaged.
Lap 3 track. I don't think the 90 comes with lights on it though, does it?
Nope. Only just the landing gear light.
it's not good. With the wind.
Look at that wind. Yeah, I don't like how it's...
Yeah, we don't need this.
50%. 0.
Now that I got them retrack.
25%. 0. 25%. 0.
Oh, there you go. Still inside.
0. 25%.
What size is it?
I think it's either 55 or 60.
Gear up. 10%.
I ain't never been hit by a P-38.
50%.
I'll come out and take the way they got here.
Point. The point is, it's really, really silly to take leave if there's only stand down.
Acro. 50 for time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, there's a little bit of turbulent wind.
50%.
Yep.
Like little pockets of
Johnny, if you come out here in the morning, you just need to bring a little plane.
Well, I appreciate it.
I want you to work on that F-16, see what's wrong with it.
Nothing.
I mean, you also got a Corsair you can work on.
Yeah, I got a Corsair to fix tonight.
He's got stuff to work on.
Uh-oh.
You did a what?
You got the hair wrapped around the wheel.
0.
My brother used to fight like cat.
Come around, do a touch and go.
Runways?
I didn't realize how sensitive this.
Damn it, this is why I wouldn't buy this plane.
Why?
Because I got an RV7, looks the same damn thing.
Well,
Yeah, but
that's right. You do.
Tricycle. I hear you. Oh, and this plane has way more lights than your RV7.